This is JR, and he is going to solve a Rubik's Cube. This Rubik's Cube.
Mommy, see that? I'm going to try to do it in the 2-minute range, but if I don't, that's okay.
That's okay. Okay, when I say go. You studying it? Just look at it. Figure out your plan.
Daddy. Ready.
Go. One minute.
It was knocking. Oh, that was JR.
Two minutes.
I have a plan. Attack.
It's you now. It's off. Off. It's on. Are you ready, Daddy? Are you ready? Daddy, isn't it working yet? Done.
You are! Right under
Orange.
3 minutes.
Blue, red, green, yellow, white.
Good job. Right on, dude. All right, good job. Let's see it.
I am Iron Man.
All right.
And how long was that?
2 minutes and 50 seconds.
Daddy, I kill you. 2-minute range.
It's still 2-minute range.
I'll deal with this.
We can keep practicing. See if we can get you in under 60 seconds.
Are you ready, Daddy?
You did a good job. It's brains. You've got brains.
Brains.
You're a genius, kid.